Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this Bangalore Muslim style biryani. I've used mutton for this recipe because mutton biryani is a specialty here in Bangalore. So I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this stepwise. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this. I've prepped it ahead of time and reserved it. So here we need to cut all the veggies in a particular manner, I'll tell you. But first I've washed the meat thoroughly, drained it in a colander and reserved it. We'll need yogurt. Don't take the yogurt too sour. We'll also require green chilies, mint, coriander which is finely chopped. Green chilies is slit. Tomatoes are cut into coins, circles. And even the onion is cut into coins, that is circles. We need half a lime. I'll be using red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder for color, some turmeric, coriander powder, ginger and garlic paste which is ground separately, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. For the biryani, I'm using two different types of tomatoes. One is a Bangalore tomato which is Roma tomato and the other one is a locally grown organic tomato which they call it as Natti tomato. Now I've heated a pressure cooker on medium flame and added regular sunflower oil to the pressure cooker. Now once the oil reaches temperature, place this on low to medium flame. You need to cook this on low to medium flame, not too high. So once the oil reaches temperature, you add your cinnamon, cloves and your cardamom. Allow it to sputter a bit. Then add your onion. Once you add your onion, you need to constantly keep stirring this and fry the onion till it turns transparent. So once your onion turns transparent, we'll add the other ingredients. Now my onion has fried well. At this point I'll add the garlic paste, not the ginger paste, the garlic paste. We need to fry the garlic paste in the onion till the raw flavor from the garlic reduces. Now I'll add the sliced tomato. I'm using two different types of tomato. One is a Bangalore tomato and the other one is a locally grown Natti tomato. You can use organic tomatoes which has got a sour content in it. I'm going to fry the tomato. So I just covered and fried the tomato till it softens a bit for 4 to 5 minutes. This is all on very low flame I'm doing. Nothing is getting burnt as you can see. Now I'm going to be adding the ginger paste. We'll fry the ginger paste along with the tomato and the onion and allow all the raw flavor to reduce. We'll cover and cook the tomato masala. Now you can see the tomato masala has cooked very well. At this point itself you'll start getting that Bangalore biryani smell. Now once the tomato has cooked well, we'll add our chili powders, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Fry the spice powders in the masala. At this point itself you will get that biryani flavor. Now I'll add yogurt. We don't want the spice powders to burn, so I've added sweet yogurt. Sweet yogurt in the sense I've not mixed sugar. The yogurt is very fresh. Use a very fresh yogurt and you need to fry the yogurt with the masala. You can see that gravy has already formed. Nice rich gravy has formed. At this point, I'll add the mint and coriander and the chilies. We'll mix the mint, coriander and chilies in the masala. Now the gravy is ready. We'll add the washed mutton. We'll mix the mutton with the masala. Just fry it for a few minutes from here. Now you can place this on medium-high flame and cook the meat. Bangalore mutton is very good in quality wise. Now I'll be adding salt as per taste. I'm adding coarse salt. Don't add the powdered salt. Add the coarse salt. Stir it once. Now we'll add enough water to cover the meat. And I've placed the lid and the whistle. We'll allow the meat to cook on high flame for 4 to 5 whistles till it's nice and tender. So once the meat has cooked, allow the pressure to release a bit. Then open the lid. Now I'll be separating the oil from the gravy and I'll reserve the meat. And also check if your meat is cooked and it's tender. If it's not cooked, recook it. I've reserved the oil from the gravy and reserved the mutton. So the meat is nice and tender. Now friends, I'll be measuring and adding the rice in a large bowl. I'm using a short grain rice which is Jeeragasamba. You can use any short grain rice which has got a good fragrance in it. Now I've measured the rice quantity little bit less than the meat. So if I'm using 750 grams of meat, then I'll be using 700 grams of rice. The meat and rice ratio will be perfect. So now I've washed the rice thrice and soaked it in water for 30 minutes. The meat is cooked. The rice is soaked. We need extra warm water to cook the biryani. So all the ingredients are ready. Now let's prepare the biryani. I have also juiced that lime and reserved. Now I've heated a heavy bottom pot. I'll be adding the meat along with the gravy. Don't waste any of that masala. It's got a lot of flavor and taste in it. This is on medium flame. Now I'll add the rice. You need to strain and add the rice. Some people like to cook the rice and add it once it's half cooked. They add the rice to the meat. But I like to add it just like that. It reduces the cooking time and it's easy for me to prepare. So now I've drained the rice and add it to the meat curry. We'll stir it once. Don't stir your rice too much. It's soaked, so it has chances to break. Measure and add the water. So for every 1 cup of rice, I'm using 2 cups of water. I'm using warm water, not cold water. So I've measured and added the water. We have added salt only for the meat. Add salt for the rice. Use coarse salt. So these are all the tips that I'm giving you. Once the rice starts to boil and it's absorbed 70% of that moisture, stir it once. At this point, the rice is going to get cooked in dum. So we'll add the oil that we reserved earlier, lime juice, and the ghee. We'll add all of this, cover it, and cook it for 15 minutes on very low flame. After 15 minutes, the rice is done. So my Bangalore style biryani is ready. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box below this video, along with my blog link and social media handle links. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.